Hello friends, welcome to Research at Profit. I hope might have learned many things on our previous videos. So let us check today's calls. And I'm recording this call on 26th of December 2016 at 9 o'clock 40 minutes night. So as you have seen earlier videos, we will be providing you intraday trading levels in advance before market analysis. You will be having a clear picture which levels you can enter and buy and sell the stocks. This is our website advancedresearchtradprofit.com. It will be providing you advanced intraday trading levels for NSE and MCX segment and in also F&O. So this call every day I used to upload for the helping my clients more on how these levels will work out. So let us as you have seen today, let's open a Nifty chart. So this was a Nifty chart for the day. As you can see, this Nifty previous it was closed at 7994 and today a huge gap down was opening of almost 40 points. You can see this candle from here it came down till here. Here you can see high low close of this particular candle. This is a 5-minute chart. So this is how the calls were. The movement was happened in Nifty. As you have seen me, as I have already explained you can't enter and you can't take positions when market are in gap up or gap down levels. So we'll check our Nifty call for the day. As you can see this Nifty morning we had a buy call near 7971.80 and sell was given at 8018.20. This is the lines. These levels I have drawn a line over here. This blue line indicates a buy signal and this red line to go for short. But you can see this huge gap down was opened and in the activate a buy signal for the day. So today we couldn't take any position in Nifty. So better it was we didn't get a chance to enter in Nifty for the day. And same way if you have today we'll check some future stocks. So I just thought of selecting some randomly some 10 stocks. Out of 10 stocks, let us check how the calls were performance done. So this is the Tata Steel chart I have opened here. Tata Steel December contract. We had a buy near 389.5 paisa and sell was near 393.85 paisa. You can see this candle. Here 5 minutes you should not enter the market as market will be very volatile. So this is the 9:15 candle. So after these levels, here the buy call, the blue line was given at 389.5 paisa. Here you can see this 389.5 paisa. We had a buy call, but you can see then after 9:15 that candle didn't break the high of 9:15. So buy call was not generated in Tata Steel and sell call was near 393.75 paisa. You can see this 393.85 paisa somewhere near these levels. Today you can see both the levels were not done and it was you couldn't enter in Tata Steel position. So it was we couldn't trade in Tata Steel. So let us check in Reliance. So this is the Reliance future contract. We will be providing you these advanced levels in our website. So here we had a buy call in Reliance futures at around 1054.10 paisa buy and 1063.30 paisa sell call. So here I have drawn a line. This is the blue line indicates a buy signal and the red line indicates a sell signal. So market was closed here and today it was open in these levels. So morning it made a low of 1054.85 and our buy call was given around 1054.10 paisa. So buy call was not activated in Reliance and you can see this suddenly it was jump up. After that our sell call was given near 1063.30. So this was a candle where sell call was generated at the time of 1 o'clock 30 minutes. You can see this it went up continue up and here we got a sell signal in Reliance Industries futures at 1 o'clock 30 minutes at the rate of 163.30 paisa. Here you can see this 1063.30 paisa. We had a sell call in Reliance futures and the target was given at 1057.20 paisa, 1057.20 paisa, somewhere near this candle, 1057.30 paisa. The target was done near, you can see this candle low, 1056.55 paisa at the time of 2 o'clock 35 minutes. After the sell call, it was gradually came down and target was done. So this is how our calls will work out, and you can see this again, it came till buy signal. After the sell call activated, it was continuously came down, and here and this levels buy call was generated as you are seeing this candle. But though market was very lower levels, so we couldn't if you have avoided this position, because one side the market whatever the call will generate, it will be a sure call, second call will be very risky. This technique you will be teaching for once you become a subscribe our service. We will be explaining you when and where to enter the market. So this was a major support for the day. Once that support was broken, it was very difficult to enter the buy position. As you can see this is the first 15 minutes candle. Here you should not enter that issue below these levels, because it will be having a huge support. Once this support breaks, it will continuously come down. So here you can see this was a major support. After the support break on, continuously it came down. So this is how our calls was generated in Reliance futures. In that Reliance futures, we made a sell call, target done in sell call. So this was a call in Reliance futures. Let us check with Bharti Airtel. This was a Bharti Airtel call. Morning we had a buy call near 294 buy and 293 296.85 paisa sell call. You can see this was the opening candle, this was the 5-minute candle, and I advise not to enter in first 5 minutes, and after that continuously it was coming down, and you can see this, it was a huge fall in Bharti Airtel. After buy call was generated at the time of 1 o'clock 15 minutes. You can see this candle, 1 o'clock 15 minutes buy call was generated in Bharti Airtel futures, and target was given at 295.85 paisa, 295.85 paisa. Here at the time of 1 o'clock 5 minutes, 3 o'clock 5 minutes, both the targets were done in Bharti Airtel. And the sell call, we had a sell call near 296.85 paisa. This red line, you can see this 296.85 paisa. Here we had a sell call, and the day high was not broken that levels, so sell call was not active, but buy call target was done in Bharti Airtel futures. So this was a call in Bharti Airtel, and let us check some other stock. This is Adani Port. I have selected the stocks randomly, so out of 10 calls, we'll just see how many calls were activated and how the call performance was done. So here the Adani Ports call will activate. 261.10 paisa we had a buy call. You can see this 261.10 paisa. Here the buy call was activated. This is a blue line, so it is not a sell call, it is a buy call. Just a moment. $261.10 paisa. Here the buy call was activated. In fact, this was the buy call activated at the time of 1 o'clock 25 minutes. Adani Ports buy call was activated, and we had a stop loss given at 258.60 paisa. Here the stop loss was given 258.60 paisa, 258.60 paisa. Yeah, in Bharti Adani Ports, our stop loss was triggered. You can see this here. Actually, in fact, the buy call was activated, and then it was directly a stop loss hit. We lost around 3 rupees 40 paisa. We lost in Adani Ports. This was a call in Adani Ports futures, and let us check a Maruti call for the day. This was a Maruti call, Maruti futures call. This is a Maruti future call. We had a buy at 5157. Here it is 5157. Here exactly 5157 buy call was activated at the time of 11 o'clock 45 minutes. But before that, sell call, let us check sell call. 5246 was a sell call given here in these levels. 5246 at time of 10 o'clock exactly, our sell call was activated in Maruti futures, and you can see this after sell call at 5246, how the 5 minutes candle came down and continuously it was came down, and this was happened. So the sell call was given at 5246, and 5186 was the target. Almost a target of 60 points was done in Maruti futures, and same way buy was given at 5157 levels. This blue line indicates the buy call levels. We have at this candle, you can see this 5158 is a low. So we missed by 1 point for buy call in Maruti futures at the time of 9 o'clock 40 minutes, but that is not a big issue. We missed the buy call, but we had a sell call activated at the time of 10 o'clock, and continuously after the next candle itself, it started coming down, and our sell call target was done. And from these levels again a buy call was generated at the time of, and this candle 11 o'clock 45 minutes buy call was activated, and after that it made a much high 521. Here was somewhere here was a buy call target, but we didn't touch a buy call target. But even though it made 5 from 57 to 8786, almost point of 30 points, it gave a movement in Maruti futures. So this is how our calls will work out. We are not saying that every day every stock will give 100% targets, but even though you can just make a try, and very most of the time it will be giving a chance to exit in profits, and most of the time it will be very rare of triggering a stop loss. So this was a call in Maruti futures, and let us check in Ashok Asian Paint. This was the Asian Paint call 867.60 paisa. This blue line here, I have drawn a blue line for buy levels, and this was the red line for sell levels. At the time of morning today, you can see this candle at 9 o'clock 20 minutes. This candle made a high of 867.45, and our buy call was given at 867.60 paisa above buy. So here the call was activated at the time of 9 o'clock 50 minutes, and very next candle you can see this how it was given a shoot up. Though the market was 100 point down in Nifty today, you can see how the Asian Paint target was done in buy call, and after buy call you can see this again sell call was given at 880.70 paisa. Here I have drawn a red line. Here this was continuously, it was going up, so here the buy sell confirmation is not given, but at this level very next candle at 10 o'clock 10 minutes, you can see this, it will give clearly given a sell signal in Asian Paint December future contracts. So after that you can see this continually came down. So this was the call in Asian Paint, and you can see both the sides how the target was done. Even though it was a buy call, continuously suddenly it went up, but in sell call it was trying to hold for some time, and later at time of 10 o'clock 40 minutes it made a low, and almost our sell call target was given around 869.70 paisa, almost 870. 10 points target was achieved in just half an hour of time. 10:10 we had a sell call, and 10:40 we achieved the target in Asian Paint sell call, and after that again you can see here this was a buy call, and sell call was actually also done, and again buy call was activated, and again you can see this it was went near the again sell call, but here second time also buy call target was done, and again it came down from here, again buy call was activated. So this is the range bound market, so this levels is worked out like that. But even though you can catch 1 or 2 trades in a day using these levels, you can subscribe to our channel or you in YouTube, so that you will be every day updated with our research calls. These calls I am showing you for the date of 26th of December. This is the levels, and this is the result for the day. And let us check with the last another 2 stocks. TCS. Here the TCS call was there. We had a buy near these levels. 2280 buy, and 2298.50 was a sell. And this time you can see this is a 5 minutes candle, so you couldn't enter this at this level. But the next candle, very next candle at 9 o'clock 20 minutes, buy call was activated in TCS 2280 and 2280. Here the buy call was given, and 2292 was the first target, 2295 was the second target. You can see this 920 buy call was activated, and very shortly, within 50 itself, the second target was also done in TCS. And later I had a sell call near 2298.50. This candle here, the sell call was activated at the time of 10 o'clock. You can see this. Suddenly again sell call was generated in TCS. This we call as a swing trading, and you can see this. After sell call, it suddenly came down, and our sell call target was given at 2283. This was the target. Here the target was there. This was a sell call, and sell target was done. So you can see this at the time of 11 o'clock 10 minutes. Again sell call target was also done, and buy was activated at the time of 9 o'clock 20. From 9 o'clock 20 minutes up to 11 o'clock 20 minutes, both the targets were done in TCS. This is how our calls will work out, and you can see this. We had easily cashed 12 points in buy call, and almost 14 points in sell call. So this is how our calls will work out. So another two stocks are there. Because of this time, it's already 9:58. I want to wind up the session, so let us check another last one call. This is a Hero MotoCorp. This is the Hero MotoCorp chart, and 3929.25 was the buy call, and 3064 was the sell call. Here the buy call was activated actually at the time of 9 o'clock 25 minutes. Hero MotoCorp buy call was activated, and after that it couldn't go up, and stop loss was given at 3011. Yeah, 3011, somewhere near here. Buy call was activated at this point, 9 o'clock 25 minutes. Buy call was activated, but it couldn't go up, and immediately stop loss was triggered, and we lost off around 19 points in Hero MotoCorp. So this was a call in Hero MotoCorp. So I hope you have learned something in this market, and I hope you got some idea on how our research calls will work out. Out of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, out of 10 calls, there was a stop loss triggered of 3 calls. Out of 10 calls, 3 calls stop loss was triggered, and another 7 calls was done both the sides. Many stocks was done both the side